Righto guys, so there's been a change of plan. The axle's welded back on now, but we need to get the trailer moved ASAP. So what we're going to do is put the hubs back on here and then put the wheels back on, get the trailer moved, and then we're going to come back and do the brakes later. Yeah, the trailer's just got to be moved, which is a pain. So I have got my bearing installer for the track, which literally will just fit in there to knock the bearing in. So what I tend to do is I put my bearing tracks in the freezer, so hopefully that'll shrink it down a little bit. Put these in the warm, which is in the house, and then a smear of oil inside it. It's dirty. And then hopefully that will let the track go in nice and easily. Make sure you put it in the right way. And then just give it a tap to get it started. I thought that would go in nice and easy with this, but it's not. It's moving, but slow. It's probably because the bench is bouncing. Let me get a bit of wood and put it on the floor. Try that. So doing it on the floor has worked a lot better. It's taken the bounce out, which is probably the table and these plastic wheels, which I don't really like. So yeah, a couple of hits on the floor, that's gone in. Now all we need to do is take the cling film off of there, give that a clean and slap it on. Quick clean up. I've now got some grease in the bearing track and I put some oil on the bearing and put some WD on the axle. So hopefully like so. It's on. That just needs a bit of a tap in. So give the washer a clean. I've already cleaned these with solvent, so we know they're okay. Washer goes on, and then castle headed nut can go on. And that's all been cleaned with solvent as well, so that's fine. Not quite sure what size it is, but it looks to me like Stilton size. So we're not going anywhere, we're just literally going to be moving it in the garden. So what we're going to do is give it a nip up and yeah, we're good to go. So what you're meant to do is tighten it up and then back it off to one of these lines up with a hole. So that's what we're going to do now. There we go, that's that. And that's, you see, like that. It's just got too much preload, because when it gets hot it's going to make it bad. So that's a little bit slack, but there's not a lot we can do. We're pinning that, and then that's that side done. Ready for the drum to go on. Okay, so we can put this pin in. It's meant to be a split pin, but I haven't got a split pin big enough. But that's what came out, and it clearly wasn't going to be going anywhere. Then we can put our gasket on and put the hubcap on. And here we are, the final piece of the puzzle. Hopefully, I don't have to jack it up to get them on. No, it might look. Ooh, no. Okay, so we now need something to lift the wheel, so I think a shovel is a good idea. That'll make it nice and easy for me. It's a good job I got my own. Bloody good job. And this now is where all the paint gets scratched off. And there we go, we are officially on. Now as long as that goes past the grease nipple, ha! Sorted! Bloody good show. Oh no, wheel nuts look nice and shiny. I like the finishing touch. Now what I should do is put some grease on them so that they slide on easy. That would help. Might save the paint too. Put a little bit of grease on there, hopefully that will help it all settle in. Hopefully. going to pull the drum back on. Lovely job. Happy with that? Lovely job. Bit of light. Yeah, happy. Sets it off. So that's the wheels back on, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a little comment, and we'll see what we can do to answer the comments.